Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. In this video, I will show you how you can use flight simulator within Google Earth. So you come to Google Earth, then click on this Explore Earth button. So it will take you to this Google Earth. So you might have seen this flight simulator long time back where you can download the desktop version. Then within that there is this flight simulator. So it was available mostly only in the desktop version. It was not available in the web. So recently what they have done is they have added that functionality within here in the web. So you don't need to download anything. You can right away use the flight simulator. Okay, so now let's try to use this. So for this I need an airport. So let me go to an airport. Let's say France airport. Okay, so it will take me to Charles de Gaulle airport in France, I guess. So yeah, let's go. So this is the Charles de Gaulle airport. Okay, so let's start from this airport. Now maybe I'll turn on the 3D view, and while it loads the feed for Charles de Gaulle. So this is the normal map and that is the satellite map, right? So it's taking some time for it to load. As you can see, it is loading. Now once it is loaded, then yeah, now I can see the airport. So this is the Charles de Gaulle airport. It's a big airport. Look at this. Now if I click on shift, then I can turn. Now if I want to fly from this airport, I come here and say tools, click on flight simulator. Okay, so now it has entered the flight simulator mode. Now I can fly. I believe I can fly. You see this? Now I am flying. You can see the controls. If I want, I can turn. I don't want to do too much of changes because then it will be difficult for me to control the flight. So this way you can use flight controller to fly. Maybe I'll try to gain some altitude. Okay, so now I am going up. So in this way, I can use this flight simulator. Now if I want to go down, let me try to lower the nose of the plane. You see this? So check it out, it's interesting. And subscribe for more such interesting videos. Thank you.
Thanks for tuning in with me. Glad you're part of this community. Hit the button down below, let our little family grow. Like and subscribe, yeah, don't you go. See you on the next episode, let's start the show.